Right now, we're seeing a sentiment score of minus 0.44 in real estate, which is notably lower than our historical baseline. This dip suggests a significant shift in market perception, and the 24-hour momentum of minus 0.17 reinforces that something is brewing beneath the surface. With 19 semantic clusters at play, you can dive deeper into specific areas of concern or interest. Our API returns sentiment insights, momentum indicators, and a breakdown of these clusters, all of which can help you understand the current landscape. Imagine integrating this data into your analytics dashboard to identify which neighborhoods are losing traction and why. This could guide your investment decisions or client recommendations. For more details on how to leverage this data, visit pulsebit.lojenterprise.com/docs. Get started today and stay ahead of the curve.